Cleaning a chimney is important to prevent chimney fires caused by the buildup of soot. While hiring a professional chimney sweep can be costly, it is possible to clean the chimney yourself. You should clean your chimney at least once a year, especially if you frequently use your fireplace. Before cleaning, check for animals that may have nested in the chimney. Measure the chimney to ensure you have the right tools. Purchase chimney cleaning supplies such as a brush, extension pipes, and protective gear. Dress appropriately in old clothes and cover your hair with a bandana. Prepare your house by covering furniture and removing the damper from the chimney. If you choose to clean the chimney from the roof, set up a ladder and assemble the brush and pipe to scrub the chimney clean. Alternatively, you can use a pulley system with a partner. Lastly, clean the bottom of the chimney and sweep up debris from the fireplace.